Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new Tech Reviews and Gadgets episode where today we're reviewing a USB condenser microphone. And you guys are currently watching CrewElite. Episode, we're actually reviewing a USB condenser microphone from the company Tonor, and this is actually the model TC30. And the good thing about this USB microphone is it's plug and ready to go. All you gotta do is plug it into your computer and you can start, doing voice conferences, live streaming, broadcasting, making YouTube videos like I'm doing with this microphone. So it's really easy to set up. This microphone is actually USB-C to USB-A, so you'll plug in the USB-A port into your laptop and then the USB-C port into the microphone. But that is just a few specifications, and we're going to take a closer dive or a bigger dive later on in this video. But before we actually get into all the juicy details about this microphone, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on, especially if it's your first time checking out this YouTube channel. Have any questions or concerns about this product, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read every single comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever about this microphone, you guys can reach me out with the comments down below. If you guys also, enjoy this video, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, as that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated. If you guys are enjoying this tech series, follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business increase email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this product, you guys can do so by reaching me out through my business increase email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this microphone, product information and also the link to purchase this microphone will be down below in the description, alongside with all the information with how to set it up and all that kind of fun stuff if you're interested in getting more information about this microphone. But right now, what we're going to do is actually move over to the first look and unboxing portion of this video. As you guys can see, the packaging of this microphone is fairly simple. As I spin it around, you guys can see there was a lot of information on the back side especially, which we are going to be taking a closer look at with a secondary camera angle. As you guys can see on the front of the box, it just says Tonor, and this is the model TC30, and this is a USB condenser microphone. And we have a picture of the microphone on the side right here, and I'm going to flip it onto the back side for you guys so you guys can see all the specification lists and details. You guys can take a pause and read that if you're interested in all these kinds of specifications about this microphone. What we're gonna do is actually proceed to unbox this microphone. So what we need to do is pull off this flap, pull back, and basically put it on its side just like this, and then open up this flap just like so. And you guys can see we're instantly greeted with the instruction manual. And this instruction manual will give you guys a lot of information about setting up this microphone successfully, and I definitely do recommend it if it's your first time setting up this microphone. We're going to put it off to the side for now. We also get a product service card, which is actually 2-year warranty. So if you have any issues with this microphone for 2 years, this company will be glad to help you out. And I'm going to put it off to the side right now. And you guys can see we're instantly looking at all the different things that this microphone system has. So we have the microphone and also a tripod included, and also a pop filter. So let's actually take a look at the accessories that this has. So right here is actually our USB-C to USB-A cable, and let me just say that this USB-C to USB-A cable is extremely long. So they did a good job making sure that the cable is long enough so that you guys can actually plug this microphone with a large distance. Next up, I'm actually going to pull out the microphone itself, and the microphone is actually already connected to the tripod. You guys can see how nice this microphone is. Really nicely crafted, and it looks really sophisticated. I love how modern this microphone looks. looks like. You guys can see we got the Tonor input right here. We got the legs of the tripods right here, which we can manipulate and change and even tighten if we need to. And then on the back side is just one little port that we need, which is that USB-C port that we need to actually plug into this microphone to plug the USB-A port into our computer. So they did a good job with the overall, construction and build of this microphone. And also what I do like about it is how small and compact it is. But we're gonna move this off to the side and take a closer look at it in a second. We also get included with a pop filter that we can actually attach onto the microphone. You guys can see it just says Tonor on the side right here. You guys can see it looks really nice. The mesh is really good, and this is actually made out of metal. So they did a good job with the pop filter of this microphone as well. But we're gonna basically put it off to the side as well and see if there's anything else in the box. But as you guys can see with the secondary camera angle, this is everything that's included with the packaging. We got the microphone with the included tripod or pre-attached to the microphone. We got our product service card and an instruction manual for this microphone, our USB cable, and also our pop filter for this microphone. So basically all that's left to do is move over to the testing and demonstration portion where we actually test out this microphone. So what we need to do now is actually, set up this microphone, and then before we actually connect this microphone to my laptop and actually test it out and do an audio test. So let me actually get this microphone constructed and ready to go for us. So the tripod legs do extend, as you guys can see. Now I can easily set it down on the table. And then in order to actually attach the pop filter, which I'll show you guys, all you gotta do is basically slide this in, just like so. Like that, and now I can basically just be like, you know what, get over here. We're gonna basically replace that with this microphone now. You guys can see how nice it looks, and it looks really sleek and modern. I really love the overall construction and overall just style that they chose with this microphone. So what is left to do now is take this USB-C cable and unwrap it, and what we need to do is take the USB-C port or part of the cable and plug it into our microphone. So I'll show you guys. You just gotta flip it onto the back side, plug it in right here, just like that. And now what I need to do is take the USB-A port or part of the cable and plug it into my laptop beside me. So what I'm gonna do is do that right now. I'm gonna plug it in. There we go. You guys can see it connected to my laptop, and it says we are setting up the Tonor TC audio device. So it's basically just going to take maybe a minute or two just to configure with your device that you're using. But what I want to do is actually open up the program Audacity so we can actually test out this Tonor microphone. Okay, so I've opened up Audacity, and what we're going to do is basically I'm going to start recording the audio coming from this microphone, and we're going to basically do a mic test, and then I'm going to go back and listen to it just to hear the audio. So I'm gonna click on record. Test, test. Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? Right now we're testing the Tonor TC30 microphone. Maybe this will be a replacement for my Tech Series microphone. Who knows, If it has good clarity, that would be amazing. But we're basically just gonna do a test, test, test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Test, test, test. Mic check, mic check. Let's go, let's go. Let's get the party started. Let's get this show going. Let's just test it out with just saying a few phrases and catchphrases. And basically, let me just listen to this audio clip and come back to you guys. All right, so let me click on the play button so we can actually hear the playback of this microphone. Test, test. Hello, hello. How's everybody doing? Right now we're testing the Tonor TC30 microphone. Wow, that is extremely loud. This will be a replacement for my Tech Series microphone. Who knows, if it has good clarity, that. Okay, so with this microphone, don't get too close like I did. Test. But it does do a good job of getting all the noise from the background out. Let's go, let's go. I don't see that many spikes with my Audacity. Let's get this show going. Let's just see. Let's test it out with just saying a few phrases and catchphrases. And basically, let me just listen to this audio clip. Okay, wow. Back to you guys. Okay, so yeah, the audio does sound amazing with this microphone. It was able to pick up my voice substantially. It did a good job job of reducing the noise. And let me just say, I wasn't that far away from the microphone and it was extremely loud. So maybe, you know, if you want to, maybe just tone down the microphone audio recording level so it doesn't record a high volume of audio that's being captured. That might be the only thing I might say, but you know, I just plugged it in. I didn't change any settings. I didn't configure anything with this microphone, and let me just say, just right off the bat, or right off outside the box, I should say, this microphone it does a really good job of picking up my voice substantially, like I was saying earlier. Alright, so one of my final opinions and remarks about this Tonor TC30 microphone. Let me just say that I'm really impressed with the overall capability of this microphone. As you guys can see with my test, the audio sounded so clear and direct. It sounded like as if I was just sitting next to you. And I wasn't even that far away from the microphone, and it was able to capture my voice substantially and capture it at a high volume. You can hear the clarity in the audio it was capturing really nicely. And honestly, I don't really got anything negative to say. What I also do like is, like, you know, it was basically really simple to set up. All I had to do was take it out of the box, set up the tripod, and get the pop filter attached, which I could also detach if I don't want it. Plug in the USB-C port into the back of the microphone, and then plug in the USB-A port into my computer, and basically we were ready to rock and roll with this Tonor TC30. But like I was saying earlier, we are going to conclude the video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode, and if you guys did, make sure you guys go down below and hit that subscribe button and turn on post notifications on to get updates and alerts whenever we do upload. Have any questions or concerns about this Tonor TC30 microphone, make sure you guys go down below and leave a comment as I reply and read a comment I do receive. So if any inquiries whatsoever, please feel free to ask me down below in the comment section. If you guys did enjoy this video after watching it, I would greatly appreciate it if you guys went down below and left a like, and that just greatly informs me and keeps me updated. If you guys are enjoying this tech series, follow us on our various social media platforms to stay connected and also get updates whenever we do upload. Our business inquiries email is CrewElite@outlook.com. You guys can shoot me a message if you want to potentially work with me, or if you need any photo assistance with this Tonor TC30 after you got you know, a test with it, you guys can do so by reaching me out through that business inquiries email. And then lastly, if you guys actually want to check out this product or get more information about this Tonor TC30 USB condenser microphone, you guys can do so by going down in the description below, and you will see product information and also the link to purchase down below in the description, where you guys can get a lot more information about this microphone alongside with the link to make a purchase if you're interested in making a purchase. But overall, I honestly think that this is a fantastic buy. Like I said, you know, if you're into streaming, if you do video calls, conferences, if you do broadcasting, if you do video creations and video recording or anything like that, even studio recording, if you make music, you can technically use this microphone to get a lot of good clear audio with this microphone. You can capture your audio really directly and also really concisely with this microphone, and honestly, I'm really impressed with the output that this microphone brought to the table. But like I was saying, we are going to conclude our video right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this tech reviews and gadgets episode. I know I did making it, and I'll see you guys all on the next episode. CrewElite signing out. Thank you guys all for watching, and have a good rest of your day.